Hi everyone, I hope you're well. I am freezing cold. It's so cold here. I've got frost at the moment and we may have some snow tomorrow. Can't wait. I love the snow, you know, before it turns to slush. Everything looks so white and clean. I'm going to share an order that I'm just about to pack. If you have placed an order on my website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, I'll link it for you, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. If you have placed an order, thank you so much for your orders. Everything placed today has gone out. This is my very last order to get ready. And the reason I'm sharing this one with you is, I know you like to be nosy and see what other people are ordering. Only joking. I stock a lot of European charms, bracelets, you know, the Pandora bracelets. Obviously these are much cheaper, sterling silver, but they're absolutely fine. They're absolutely fine. So I'm just going to share these with you today, and just some beads to go along with them. And some other little knicky knacks. But this order will be on its way to Glasgow. Not sure if my customer is on here. Something tells me they are, but I could be getting confused with the name with someone else. So let me show you what they've bought. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I've got lots of tutorials ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. There's other things as well, other craft videos. Days out, I do like it to be quite a personal channel, and I love getting to know you. I've met some lovely people. Right, Claire, shut up. If you didn't already know, I do like to chat. It's what happens when you work on your own. Let me show you what goodies we've got going out today. Okay, well, these, oh, I've got all my posts ready to go out today. It's falling all over the place. So these are European charm bracelets. These are large ones. Ideal for larger wrists. You have a clip on here that opens, which you pop that end in and then put together and push it together, and then obviously you put, they have small stoppers, and then you just put your beads and your charms on. So that's one type of bracelet. I think these have actually sold out, but I will be getting some more. These are another type of bracelet. Aren't those bags cool? Again, this is another European charm bracelet. This one's different. It's got the lobster clasp, and it's also got an extension chain with a heart on the end. Now with this one, if I just undo, this end will screw. You put your beads and charms on, and then it screws onto the end. And these are platinum. Got 3 of those. But they've all been reduced as well. We've got some these are lilac. These are pretty. They're like rainbow. They're different colours. As you go around, they're different colours. Purples and oranges, green, blue and yellow, clear. These are like, I think these are only like 30p. Or these are either 30p or these are 30p. So go and check them out. You don't need to have Pandora. You don't need to spend lots of money on Pandora. We've got some small. These have been very popular today, actually, for going out. The daisy charms. My favourites. my favourite flower. And those are silver. I've also got them in gold. These are, I am so pleased with these. These are 18 karat gold plated and they are £3. This is something I've done, I've put this on. So obviously, and they are 18 karat over stainless steel. So as I say, they're £3 and very simply attach. You can very simply just attach a charm. Obviously you don't want a really heavy charm. These sell really well, and I can honestly say it's taken me about 10 years to find a gold necklace that I'm happy to sell. So many just tarnish, but these, oh, honestly, I'm so happy I found these. So happy. You've got a lobster clasp. I've got the special packaging bags I've got for them. You never know, some people might store things in like a damp, they might have a room that's damp or something. But there's another one. These are butterfly charms, but they're not just any butterfly charms. Obviously if you look at them now, they're black. And if I take them away, hold them between my thumb and finger, can you see the difference? Oh, I hope you can see the difference. So they're colour changing mood butterflies. Oh, I did a tutorial in the week with blue tiger eye beads. Blue tiger eye beads. See the colours on those. See, greens. See, there's greens and greys. So that's that order. So this one is going off to Glasgow. If you are, now I said I'm going to be more proactive with my social media. I've always said with YouTube, I cannot see in the comments what you're making, if you bought any supplies from me and made something, or my socials are down below. If you want to share a photo of what you've been making, follow me on Instagram and tag me. Not only is it good for me, but also for yourselves. So let's see if we can get a lovely little community going over there. I always say it's like working in a sweet shop. So wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having a really good day. There's the, I'll put that one, we'll put that down below. So this one, I'm just going to put some bubble wrap and get this one sent out. So as always, thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.